So guys, welcome back to MacArthur Industries. We sort of, you've seen some of our blooper videos, but we thought what we should do is make our own blooper video just with Paul and I, because we're not that good at this by any means. But we've had a gentleman travel down from the Gold Coast on the weekend, and he's advised us that he'd like to see a little bit more of social distancing, number one. But there's Paul Wagner, and we want a bit of a shout out to Coco, mate. This one's for you out there, mate. So hopefully we get a little bit of regards. But so what this was is I just want to give a little bit of background of Paul Wagner and the aspects of where you come from in the vicinity of the 4017. A little bit of a background of where you lived, what school you went to, where'd you play footy, all these sort of things, what crazy cats you've met along the way, and probably you might have to have about an hour here, but we'll sort of run through. So
short and sharp.
Short and sharp. So,
born and bred in Brighton.
Yep.
Brighton State School boy, Nashville High School boy. Moved away for a couple of years, but the good place brought us back home. Great place to live, great place to raise children. Can't really say too much.
You can say it. Well,
enough about it.
No, it's a great spot, great spot. There's probably a few little things that brought up as you were growing up, like you were bit of time at the Nudgee Golf Club, I think, was it? Was it that with you and your brother?
Club, yeah. That was got up the mischief there.
Yeah.
I just got asked nicely to leave that place.
Yeah, well, that happens. I think I've had that in a few places when we were growing up on that sort of things.
Well, probably the best as a kid was the Sandgate Footy Club, AFL club. Started there as a 5-year-old and played all the way through till seniors. Met some great people on the journey and still close friends with those sorts of people today.
So yeah, with those Paul saying that, we had a little bit of a get-together down at the Sandgate Football Club, which they have got their full seniors group back there playing, and we just want to say for the local communities, if you get the opportunity, it's a great place to watch footy on a Saturday afternoon. The guys down there, we've got some bloody crazy mates, but some fantastic mates. It's a bit of respect for the area we live in, I suppose, isn't it, to what they do. So if you can, shout out to the Seahawks guys. We've had some great times down there. We've been asked to leave there a couple of times as well. So it's along the lines, as you can see, as we get older, we're trying not to be along those virtues, and now we're telling our kids of that age, don't get kicked out of places, but they seem to be following in our footsteps, which that happens sometimes. So I'd like to thank Paul. He's made, time-wise, he's been here for a while now. He's done a lot for the local community he doesn't know about. There's a lot of people that respect him as well for what he's done and who the personality he is. So mate, thanks for being part of the MacArthur Industries group, having a bit of a chat to us. Shout out to Coco, this one's for you, mate. So give him a bit of a hello, please. Yeah, you're not bad at all. Who does? So, all right, guys, have a great day. Get down, watch the footy of the Seahawks. Have a look on there. They've got a website. Also, you can become a member now. I know they've got some stuff out there. Jump on their Facebook, like that, and be a part of their membership forum on that sort of things, and try and help that football club grow with the community. So, have a great day, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks. Bye.